Hello, baby. I'll be able to check a cinema or from Ben Bros. I expose GH, but you're subscribing. Not subscribing for you to my now on Sa and ya Akabi. Ghana is the gateway of Africa. That's what I know. Now, over Ghana, baby, I will far Ebedu Ghana near Fen Kutuka International Airport. Now, you can say any is changing to Accra International Airport. Emu, a dinner the day. I didn't see her. Nipana yedene to no or ye kumeka ye kakutuka where ye no a lieutenant wa minim na your friend is saying airport no history kakra ma beka no na air base a British for no omo yusu na 1956 na sebe Dr. Kwame Nkrumah ka say omo nya no commercialize na obi antimi ma antini ye change ye no Accra International Airport na actually no 1969 sabi cool ne by 1966 no 1969 3 years later and I kotoka ya ho ne de sika kwa wo no airport wo no ne atwa ne be ma so enti awie no na ya se ye kai minim ye kai ne de edi no eto airport no na edi na wo ho ama medwe Ghana for ho am se ye jimi dodo menti ase in the first place most obia ye de edi beto no eye normally the founding fathers. And yes, also there, you were Addis Ababa Airport. You were airport bebre bear, sabe a chrono, a ding, and the other two. Na Ghana, Kotoka, where you be a lawyer or mambo four. Your cast on mambo four will be or catching the destiny of Ghana. Beyond Ghana, ascendance near call at the same Burkina Faso, France for a person moya 2, your friend say Ibrahim Touare no, Sabin on me so. Kwame Nkrumah oversee more than 20 attempts on his life. The biggest came at the north. Almost 2 bomber, Akolano Krano no, and the Central Trial said, yeah, that was the time. And the bodyguard because we no. And all this one, no, now Nkrumah, the way I know the Ghana no, now people fear. Now Asemba Kwa Martin Post say, you told me because he wanted to be a dictator. And I'm saying Ghana for say Jimmy Powell. Che America. China, Russia, Singapore, Thailand, almost started on journey with democracy. They started in what? Dictatorship. I only say China, I'm practicing here 4 year democracy, no. And yet the one who has the country as heart and our policy be the whole country believe in here the what one drive us to their policy. Now she says, I want to say, what do you mean? You So it's not about him being a dictator, but now he was a threat to the whites. It is CIA. Onomko contacted Kotoka. And no almost see you cool, Netuno. Time now, Kwame Nkrumah echo Hanoi no. No way conference. Or the catcher so yeah too, not so how. I na pictures be all share cry na mobile. And now make us say controversy na surrounding we no me name controversy. In the first place, the original name is Accra International Airport. Ghana airport ahin ewo. Ni atutu bidi. Accra is the capital of Ghana. Ye Jimmy Crano, ye person promote Accra. The first thing that should be done is the name Accra. It's obi back Ghana. Not even the paper say I trust say Accra International Airport. Only say me back Ghana. The capital is Accra. Ye Jimmy Crano no me mama scenario. It's wo ba when him say first of all no Accra no and the capital. Kotoka will be wo kotu obi no and na modi din na to so. Suddenly I wonder and people like Xposed didn't see the science to change it. Your mama nyame shira pa nyame tonkwa dem. So when you nyansa sa obesisa Kotoka obi a wo boman say na dia ba Accra International Airport. Nyame shira. And na mati say before be say Kotoka egbeni so what? Na Kotoka egbeni no wa be ku no aku obi a. What do you mean? We shouldn't even bring the tribal sentiment into this. What is the purpose of naming an airport after Kotoka? For what purpose? Yen Jimmy Yena, Adreno year. Why do you name Kotoka Airport? Baby a gateway it's say ye nibi Kumasi near tribes Kumasi Kranso and pick it up here. So the only place we have it there Accra one. Muni my dear friend Brandon. Accra no international with a sweet name. Asabi branded Ghana. Hey, more Jimmy no Mufanquan. And then who can be here. And when you do that, what do you mean? We should encourage cool makers. We should encourage things that has hurt this country, truncated our progress. We should remember it. Kotoka, that name should be erased from Ghana's history. No wonder. You couldn't try what to say now. Just say you can't someone to create no. Only na mo kusa akwa. So kote na no ne wadi. Ti twa de say no na mo kwa. Masa, yensu enyansa. Ghana, the gateway to Africa. Accra, capital. So it is only right say be name it after Accra. Mu amumpe no mo kwashepo. John Mama, what mo Accra? Castle Hokra name ho Accra. I like it. Because we need to project and promote this country. Yeah, Jimmy Dodo also. And Rana, your friend is saying, Papa, press conference. You ever watch them? Or press conference now? Kofobi Kasa, why change the name? Yes, sir. One pen Koshap. Accra International Airport. I like it. I Xposed GHFM, Bruce, subscribe, share. Many 2 man, I can be man.